Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Usambut Menteri Rambak Kejelau ba Preston Tensong Ulong ba kanongrem bagi Sengbhalang kiang kalong ba Dewan Pyntreikam Shwaya ka inline permit lani ka ILP hakani Kejela bat hadian kata kin sa Pdiang banwan karel. Ulong ba ka sarkar ru kaladawa na ka sarkar India bakan Pyntreikam Shwaya ka ILP hakani Kejela.
The stakeholders like our social organization, NGOs, why they are against it. In fact, they are not against the project. They said we welcome it. But number one, the condition is first give us ILP and then railway project can start side by side. That is the decision from their side. And of course, meeting were held, series of meetings were held. Discussion is still on because this is a national project. But at the same time, we also from the government, we pursue this matter very, very seriously. Where, as I said you back to my reply, where in fact we wanted that ILP be granted to the state.